Pallet collars create a custom height crate on your pallet in minutes. They save storage space due to collapsibility. Built with sturdy 3/4 inch thick wood and reinforced steel hinges, each pallet collar provides maximum protection. The pallet collars stand 8 inches tall and are sold in multiples of 2. These pallet collars are export certified and meet ISPM 15 standards, making them safe and compliant for international shipping. To assemble pallet collars, determine the number of collars you will need and ensure your product has clearance inside the collars, leaving space on all sides. Here are the recommended supplies for assembly. To begin assembling, secure your item to the center of the pallet. Open the first collar and place it on the pallet. Note, ensure the collar is placed squarely, with the feet of all 4 corners sitting outside the pallet. Unfold and stack additional pallet collars as needed. Optional lids are also available to protect goods during storage and transit. Ensure you have clearance between the lid of the crate and the item you are shipping. Simply strap your collars to the pallet and your assembly is now complete. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.